What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Makia Aten is where you're watching me from. Good to have you all. I am trading binary options and I am on Brent Oil OTC chart. So let us get into the trades already without wasting time. Tell me, how did you spend your day? Tell me how you spending your day. Oh my god, today has been really so good. Today has been so good for me. Yeah. Let's see if we can get any move already, guys. My candles are 5 seconds. My expiration time is 15 seconds, and you know how we do it every night. We'll be moving the market like crazy, and that's what we are going to do today. More entries and less talking. So just lock in and yeah, and this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. So let's move. CHF songs, good to see ya. Raquel, good to see ya. Raphael, what's up? Muhammad, good to see ya. Pro Trader Junkies, what's up? Your pullback strategy is great. I mean, it's only here where you get great pro tips. The goal is to just lock in and take these tips that I'm sharing here, guys, seriously, because the more you practice them, you're gonna be seeing results. Trading is a skill, we all know, and if you focus on really developing it, it just gets better with time. 17, we got a dream to have a family, a house and everything in between. And then suddenly, it's in 23 and we got pressure for taking our life seriously. We got a dead end jobs and got bills to pay. Our friends and our enemies. And now I'm thinking back to when I was young. You guys are crazy. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your day today? How did you spend your day today? Baby, you know I just wanna leave tonight. We can go anywhere we want, drive down to the coast, jump in the sea, just take my hand and come with me. Singing, we can do anything if we put our minds to it. Take your whole life and you put a line through it. That was yours if you want it to again. Give me a heart cause I ain't gonna break it. So come away, starting to taste, starting to life together in a different place. And the love is all these ideas came to be. So baby, run away with me. Why does that trade go does? What do you mean? Rod, good to see ya. AR, good to see ya. Looking at the charts, that's how it should be. That's how it should be, guys. And anytime, if you have a free day, guys, you can spare some time and you look at the charts in details. Purple Trader, good to see ya. I blew 81 today. Oh my god. That's some crazy loss to really take from the market. What caused it? Which asset were you trading that led to that huge loss? Sorry about that, my friend. Honestly, such a crazy loss can really damage your psychology also. Sorry about that, my friend. See you, good to see ya. Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all. Tell me, how did you spend your day? How is your day moving for you? If you see the light, remember what I was with you. When you are lost and only lover, don't forget about me so soon. If you see the light, remember that I was with you. When you are lost and lonely lover, don't forget about me so soon. Asoriko, 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 Asoriko. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. Asoriko, see this life is an only road. Every day I'm for the door. I'm on the road. Put my body, mind, and my soul. That's why me I head to the door. Cause man I've been walking. All right, I'm seeing someone is in the pool with the kids. Oh, that's the life that we all should live, honestly, on such a day. It's always nice to have some time with family. Yeah. So, every trade I made, it went in the opposite direction. Guys, sorry about that, my friend, but sometimes when you are in the market and you notice that most of your entries, they are really going against you, chances are high that those trades, you're really taking them from a psychology point of view where you're already damaged. It's always nice to take a break. If you see you're really taking a lot of losses from the market, it's better to take a break. Yeah, so I feel like revenge trading really affected you in the process. Oh my god. Two entries are invalidated, but we are getting more entries. The night is too young for us to move. When you are lost and lonely lover, don't forget about me so soon. If you see the light, remember that I was with you. When you are lost and lonely lover, don't forget about me so soon. Asoriko, 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 Tibor, good to see ya. Sunday is fun day. All right. I need a strategy. Sometimes, guys, losses from the market are not really basically from the strategy. Like I always tell you, you need to really learn a certain level of discipline and risk management. For example, it's okay, it's not right to set a maximum loss. Mentally, it doesn't feel right to set yourself a maximum loss you can take from a trading session. But as a trader, you have to put mechanical ways you can really manage risk, guys. Trading is so risky, and we are dealing with real money. So if you're really dealing with real money, you're going to be emotionally attached to your capital. That's a fact. So you have to set up rules in your risk management, and you try to stick to them. So that's why, guys, that's why I'm saying you should have a trading plan, and in your trading plan you have to include maximum loss for a day or a week, depending on your trading style. Because if you trade daily, that means setting up a maximum loss would work for you compared to someone who trades a few days in the market. You have to set up that. You have to also set up at least a profit target, so that sometimes you don't get too greedy. That can help you prevent over trading, and also revenge trading. Guys, if you're just starting out to trade, it is always nice and best if you first have a mechanical way. You write down your trading plan like every day, and you read it before you get into your trading session, for your brain to internalize the things that you're supposed to really do whenever you are trading. Our emotions are so hard to control, so you have to put up certain ways that you have, certain rules that you have to follow whenever you're trading, and you move with them. In the beginning, it is hard and tiresome, but you need to do that so that in the long run your brain is ready. It has gotten used to
to the rules that you follow in the market, that you don't get to write them. Yeah, because most of the times, guys, especially crazy losses from the market, they don't normally happen from a perspective that your strategy is wrong. They happen from a perspective that you're failing to control your emotions, your psychology. And to control your psychology, honestly, you need to put up strict rules. Otherwise, those huge losses, they're going to keep coming. And guys, this I'm sharing it from my own experience. I've also been there where I have blown my account, and I realized when I blew my account, it wasn't about that I didn't know what I was doing. It was about me being emotionally attached to that trading capital, that the few losses I first took from the account, they really affected me so much, and I started to open buy. And I mean, I would be in a situation where I'm buying and selling at the same time. It is always crazy because it can rarely happen for you to be selling, I mean, to buy and sell at the same time. That means in that area, one of the trade is going to work. But if one closes in a plus and the other closes in a loss, there's no profit made still, and it's going to keep affecting you. And that can happen to you actually in just like about 5 minutes for you to blow your account. It doesn't need to take you like a full hour to blow your account. It can just take you about 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, when you have failed to control your emotions. But guys, the risk that comes with trading, and trading, we are really moving with our real capital. You have to really put in some effort to manage your risk, guys. In a downtown crowd, oh, but I can hear you call me baby. And the music around, red wine, good times. No, I don't mind being with everyone else. Okay. I need to learn more candlestick patterns. That's true. They're going to help you with your entries. You're welcome, my friend. And you shouldn't give up. You can take a few days off, but don't give up. Losses are part of the trading. And if you remain in the game, if everything starts making sense to you guys, believe me, you're going to just look back and thank God you didn't give up. Guys, I am trading binary options and I am on Brent Oil OTC chart. My strategy is simple, pure price action. So all my entries, I take them based on that. Leve, what's up? Good to have you. What's up? Tell me, guys, how is your day moving for you? Please don't spam comments, because what you're asking is what I'm doing right now. So don't spam comment, just stick around. You're going to get, your question is going to be answered. I'll be your best again. When you ask for sex again, don't care about the rest of them. You starting to forget. See what I'm saying? You don't need them, yeah. You better say I treat you well, I will. It's good I can feel. Come give me hell. Guys, tonight we're doing less talking and more trading. So let us get more. Another entry. Jacob, good to see ya. Good to have you all, guys. My strategy is simple. It is pure price action. Yeah, with trading, you have to be consistent, and we are consistently showcasing my entries every night with the strategy. So just stick around. Just looking. We are going to get into the details of my strategy. Cameroon is saying that day 14 of 30, writing your trading plan. Okay, I love the consistency there. I love it. Keep doing that. Ade, good to see ya. Billionaire, DJ. All right, guys, let's move. By the way, guys, when it comes to trading plan, actually, just remember there's a time in my trading where I had it as my wallpaper on my laptop. Yeah, so every time I would look at my laptop, I really had my trading plan on it. So I would just look at it, I know what I would do. Yeah, that's how much discipline you can really focus on having if you want to get your skill to another level. At first, you have to do everything possible to make sure you are locked in. And once you're locked in, you may reduce other things you're doing, because now everything is printed on your mind and it's not going away anytime. Famous, good to see ya. Guys, the market is trending upwards. You can see buyers are in the market, and we are really not having serious pullbacks. So that is a sign of market. That's a sign of trend strength. So see how it goes. So we are starting to get into a pullback. We can look forward to getting an entry here, or we can wait for a continuation. My mind right now, I am still bullish until the previous most strong low is taken out. That's when I can switch my mind to start thinking that the market could be switching structure. But for now, you can still be anticipating stronger buyers until the most recent strong low is taken out. That is pure market structure that we are looking at right now. Build it up. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, it's like the market is switching back to its original trend, so let us watch and see how it goes. All right, we are locked in, guys. You see, with trading, patience really pays off, and patiently waiting for the market. Guys, markets are not going anywhere, believe me. I've been in the markets from 2022 and I'm still here. Markets have been here. So it's a matter of you waiting it's a matter of you being patient for a move. And I also phone people in the markets. Of course, as long as they are still here, we are still locked in for life. Sometimes I think about, guys, I don't know if this really comes to your mind. Do you wake up and think about the time you're going to retire from the markets? I bet you still loving me. I bet you still reading me. Soon as you see me with someone else, somebody other than you. Oh my god, damn. You're on the other side. I bet you start loving me. Soon as I start loving someone else. All right. Good to have you. Good binary. Let me hope you're learning something, guys. You make sure you always come here with a notebook because I be dropping pro tips. So just look in on the chat so that when I'm explaining the move, you can easily catch on. Oh, how long do you think I'm going? I have to wait for you. I'm not retiring anytime soon, guys. I'm not retiring from the markets anytime soon. That's a fact. It's gonna take me a few decades in the market. So it's a matter of joining me and locking in for life with me because that's how we are gonna be. Somebody better than you. So let me see me with someone else, somebody other than you. And I know that it hurts, you know that it hurts you, but you thought the grass was greener on the other side. I bet you start loving me, soon as I start loving someone else, somebody better than you. So you bought me a car, thinking about it too. I can take care of myself and I can find someone. Guys, my strategy is simple. It is pure price action. That's what I'm doing. So all my entries are based on that. The inkhead I'm using it Skeltner channel and I'm using it with its default setting. Whenever I'm looking at the indicator, I just look out for breakouts either to the top side or to the downside. Yeah, so if you get a breakout to the upside, you start anticipating buyers in the market. But if you need more confirmation, that's where you back it up with your pure price action knowledge. So in that case, you wait for market structure to either switch bullish or you wait for a valid confirmation from a candlestick pattern that can show you strength from buyers. Then you can start looking out to take entries in that direction. And the opposite is true. And the opposite is true for a breakout to the downside. The other side. Somebody better than you. Baby, tell me what's gonna take to be all the way with us. You won't get it till I'm gone away. And that's how we do it. That's how we've been moving every night. And I know that it hurts. You know that it hurts your pride. You thought the grass was greener on the other side. I bet you start loving me. Soon as I start loving someone else, somebody better than you. I hate this. Singing this song, singing this song. I love you. Yeah, I love you. Let's add more buys and move. Guys, tonight you're doing less talking and more market movement, so you're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. Oh my, that was really close to our entry. But we locked in still. Justine, good to see ya.
Hey, how you doing? How's your day going? You know that
Guys, we have made some money, so let us increase our risk. Yeah, that's how you be in the market. You keep increasing your risk as your account grows.
You could take off your shoes, I bought it in the tub. You don't have to, but I love to. Bartender, I pour a drink, a movie on to entertain. I'm down to do the little things.
Guys, if you are looking at trading and you want to use different time frames, okay, it is from my own experience. I don't think you need like very many screens. You can just use your one screen, but you first look at a higher time frame, then you go to a lower time frame, then you just lock in now on your execution time frame, and you just take entries based on that. I don't think you need like 4 screens for 4 time frames. Even one screen is enough for you, because that's what I be doing. Just like I told you guys, if you're looking at market structure, you should know that if a higher time frame is in an uptrend, lower time frame is most likely to be in a bearish trend to cover up for the pullbacks that are going to be happening on higher time frames. So just when you have that mindset, you just come down on your lower time frame and look forward to execute in that line. Godwin in the building. Good to see ya. Good to see ya. When the schedules aren't aligning, that's the sign that it's okay to finally tell the world that you are more than enough for me, more than I can say, and you keep giving me more and more each day. Oh baby, and I never thought I'd end up with the man of my dreams. You really am. I don't mind taking time, baby. I'm down to do the little thing. God, good to see ya. I agree with you, Red. Red is saying it is best to look at a high on a higher time frame, and you just take key zones so that when you come to the lower time frame, you know exactly how you're executing based on that. And that is right. That's right.
I don't mind taking time, baby. I'm down to do the little thing.
Samuel, my candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. I am trading binary options. Yeah, and since my strategy is price action, really understanding market structure is really key for me to take those entries. Market structure shows you the turning point of the market, guys. Uzi, I don't get what you're trying to ask me. Please detail the question. La noche en la que te suplico que no salga el sol. Bailando, bailando, bailando. Tu cuerpo y el mío llenando el vacío, subiendo y bajando. Bailando, bailando. Ese fuego por dentro me va enloqueciendo, me va saturando. Con tu física y tu química, también con la mía, la cerveza y el tequila y tu boca con la mía. Ya no puedo más, ya no puedo más, ya no puedo más, ya no puedo más. Con esta melodía, tu color, tu fantasía, con tu filosofía, mi cabeza está vacía. Ya no puedo más, ya no puedo más, ya no puedo más. Yo quiero estar contigo, vivir contigo, bailar contigo, quedar contigo una noche loca, ay, besar tu boca. Yo quiero estar contigo, vivir contigo, bailar contigo, tener contigo una noche loca, con tremenda loca. Thank you, thank you. Tú me miras y me How did you get so good at this? Are you self-taught? Guys, I'm every taught. Yeah. When I was starting out to learn how to trade, I was doing it by myself, but in the long run, I realized I could be wasting time. I could get someone to show me exactly what I need. So I got a mentor, and what they told me, yeah, I really appreciate actually, because they helped me so much on focusing on my discipline and psychology, guys. Yeah, and I also learned from fellow traders, my friends. Guys, I have fellow traders who are my friends, and yeah, I really appreciate that they were already a step ahead of me. So I also learned from them. And as also a trader, the more you are on the charts, believe me, you're also going to learn something for yourself. That's why consistency is key. Because the more you are on the chart, you're going to discover stuff by yourself, maybe candlestick patterns, how a certain candlestick pattern, how it closes, and it gives you a good entry yourself. So also learning by myself was also there, especially when I really started trading. So I learned from everywhere. I learned from everywhere. Me myself, guys, we are always here every night, and I'm already and free to share with you guys all my trading experience and moves that are really working out for me. All you just have to do is to log in, and I'll be dropping more videos about my trading strategy and experience as a trader. You can learn from that, and you're free to ask all any question right now. And it comes with another one.
But I'm a god, I'm a stronger man.
I'll be a different kind of
I'm not trying to be the number one. So
many
many
legends
legends say I'm just trying to be another one. But sometimes it be like say I want my all the pressure and the wahala. It be like say I don't tire. Sometimes it be like say I want my all the pressure and the wahala. I just wanna be.
Let us lock in the cells, cause why not? Says on my phone.
Nothing they do me, you should know. I just feel like I should do this on my own. I just wanna be. If no be love, no money palava.
When I watch your latest video, of course, guys, you should check it out. It's really nice. It's really nice, and I'm glad most of you have already liked it. Guys, it's a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question, because why not? But sometimes it be like say I want my all the pressure and the wahala. I have a Telegram channel. There is a link in the description down there. You can use it to join. Khan, good to see ya. I just feel like I should do this on my own. I just wanna be in love. Guys are crazy. The guy tell me, if it were you, can you get bored? If it were you, would you get bored, the guy? Of course not. Guys, I'm using the indicators with the default settings. You know how we do it. I just wanna be alone.
What can I do to make it go away? I don't like this feeling. And what should I do if you don't feel the same? I'm losing patience, and it doesn't make sense. It needs to go away. I don't like this feeling.
Guys, I love this song.
How did I fall in the first place? You're too bad, you take us brain.
No one can really get bored of Prophets. That's a fact. And yeah, no one can really get bored. You just need to be getting it. You just need to be getting it. To make it go away.
I don't like this feeling. What should I do if you don't feel?
Alright, you're already having movement in our direction. Guys, I don't like really executing entries, and I see any opposite candle going against my entry. Doesn't feel well. But tonight buyers seem strong. Yes, I do have a Telegram. Check down in the description. There is a link for it. You can write to me.
Hard guy, but I'm catching feelings. That's why I've been hiding it since. What have I done? What could it be? I don't like the way you've been fucking with me. I'm losing my control. Can't do this thoughts on my mind.
Why do I love that song?
I don't like this feeling.
I just love it.
What can I do?
I just love it. Uzi, I'm not really getting what you're trying to mean. Please be open and ask what you want to ask. I'm not getting you, and I'm not ignoring you, but I'm not getting you. Nason, good to see ya. Someone is asking, is it too late to be part of the donations? No. You can use the donation link in the description, and surely you'll be part. All you have to do is to send a screenshot for double confirmation to me via Telegram, and there's a link in the description for my Telegram. Oh my god. Cameron says, you don't like love songs. I'm not the one who broke your heart. One thing I know, trading does not break your heart. It just gives you a strong heart. That's a fact. So, and I wouldn't say it is trading that broke your heart still, because trading gives us a strong heart. There is no trader who has a soft heart, because we have been there. We have watched our capital vanish in minutes. So if you have experienced that, I don't think you can really have a soft heart after seeing your capital vanishing in seconds.
And I know they think it's your lifestyle. It's your lifestyle. I know they think it's my lifestyle. Yeah. Oh, it's my lifestyle.
Damn.
Them they expect me make a fool for them. I know they host for them. I know they online for 2 weeks. Them say I they host for them. Not their own problem. On G, I tell those who discover me. All I need to do honesty.
It is down in the description, Nick. It's down in the description. You can check it out.
it to me well a deeper. Nothing will go to it down my love for you. Lisa, I go call you go Ibiza. You know you put it Ibiza. Yeah, yeah. Now no more level, it's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle. I know they think it's my lifestyle.
Yes, Red, the song is called that. What you're saying? Alright, someone is saying, Dita, what we need to learn. What you need to learn is, first thing what you need to learn is to lock in, guys. To be honest, you cannot call yourself a trader when you check on your charts once in a while. You're not really a trader then. You have to first decide that I'm going to be a trader. And once your mind has speak that, then you lock in and you be ready to learn and also wait for the process, guys. It's a process. Yeah, but when you have reached to that level, what you can really learn, me, my strategy is price action, understanding the trend. Am I dealing with an uptrend? Am I dealing with a downtrend? Am I dealing with a sideways market? The other thing you can really focus on learning, it is market structure. Yeah, market structure is king, and if you really get to learn the valid points of market structure, they are going to really make your trading so easy. I believe, guys, anyone who stated that market structure is king, they didn't lie, because honestly, market structure understanding market structure is going to make at least 50% of your trading easier as itself. Then the other thing I base on to take my entries is understanding candlestick patterns. So basically, you can just focus on learning that.
Still got sand in my sweaters from nights we don't remember. Do you miss me like I miss you? Fucked around and got attached to you.
Friends can break your heart too, and I'm always tired, but never of you.
If I pulled a you on you, you wouldn't like that shit. I put this real out, but you wouldn't like that shit. I type a text, but then I never mind that shit. I got these feelings, but you never mind that shit. Oh, keep it on the low. You still love me, but your friends don't know. If you wanted me, you would just say so. And if I were you, I would never let me go.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate Nick, the link is down in the description. The donation link is down in the description. You can use that.
I don't mean no harm, I just miss you on my arm. Wedding bells were just alarms, caution tape around my heart. You ever wonder what we could have been? You said you wouldn't and you fucking did. Lie to me, lie with me, get your fucking fix. Now all my drinks and all my feelings are all fucking mixed. Always missing people that I shouldn't be missing. Sometimes you gotta burn some bridges just to create some distance. I know that I control my thoughts and I should stop reminiscing, but I learned from my dad that it's good to have feelings when love and trust are gone. I guess this is moving on.
Mosh, good to see ya.
Everyone I do right.
Good to see ya, guys. And you're free to ask any trading question, guys. This is a trading assembly where we lock in every day without fail. Yeah. Every day without fail, we are locking in, so you're free to ask any trading question that you wanna know.
All alone, I watch you watch her.
She's the only
girl you'll never see. You don't care, you never did. You don't give
I don't understand how people do trade.
Yeah.
What do you mean? What do you mean MTC? MT, what do you mean?
How is it you never noticed that you were slowly killing me? hate you, I love
David,
you,
good to
I
see
hate
ya.
that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I'll never be her. Feeling you, but I'm still missing you, and I can't see the end of this. Just wanna feel your kiss
Against the leaves, all next time.
passing by, but I still can't.
Nick, I sent Do It For Me, Baby. Of course. Just look in and wait. All right, momentum in
I met
direction.
you in the dark. You lit me up.
Oh my god.
You made me feel as though
I was
wasn't
already
alone.
excited. It's going to look in
We
a
danced
plus.
the night away.
So let us wait
We
and see if we
drank
can
too
get another
much.
entry.
I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest. And you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think
What
you
and how
should
did you
get
learn market
some
structure and
rest.
candlestick patterns?
I knew I loved you then.
Guys, the market structure, Jerome, you have been showing. The market structure that I learned is the market structure, guys, I keep showing you. If you are in an uptrend, if you are in an uptrend, you have to understand that the market is moving in series of higher highs and higher lows. A valid break of structure, it is when if you are in an uptrend, the market takes out the most recent high, and after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback. But for a valid market structure, you have to see that there is a candle closing above. Yeah, that is when you see that it is valid. But guys, all those things, you know them. You could be knowing them, you could have noted them somewhere, but if you don't put it into practice, then it's just going to just remain information you know, but you're not really going to see it. Like I told you guys yesterday, I would pick a particular chart. For example, now I'm on Brent oil OTC chart. Then I go on any time frame that I want, and I would just pick like about an hour, and I'm just mapping out the correct market structure. The market structure, you just pick the market and you map out different. You map out different structures. That's how you keep practicing. So the next day you can just also pick and you just look forward to just looking at candlestick patterns that are valid in key areas in the market. You just go on like that. If you're not willing, guys, to put in the work, if you're not willing to put in the work, then trading is going to just remain a myth to you. You really have to, it's a skill that you develop, and the more you practice, it is the easier it's going to get. Right now, you could be seeing it's so hard to see market structures, the highs and lows. But for someone who has really been doing it for some time and they really practiced a lot, it will just take you about a minute to see the valid market structure, to see the valid candlestick pattern, to see everything valid, because you really practiced a lot. Guys, I already see guys posting for someone who has spent like 4 hours in the market just looking at the market itself, testing their strategy for like 4 hours on the charts, not mainly trading but just testing their strategy. That's how you keep. That's how you keep. That's how you develop your trading skill, guys. So even being on this stream itself, you're really developing your skill as long as you're locked in and you're asking the trading question and you're asking the trading questions, you're really learning something. But after learning, you have to also go on your charts and look for these things.
supply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life. Get them strictly with that fire. It's a vibe. They a dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop. They just wanna kumbaya. Nah.
This world concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only bloom when she know. Weekends, get it popping on the low.
Guys, the platform I'm using, it is Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link in the description.
If it was up to me, I wouldn't
There's a link in the description that you can use.
this world will matter when you
Out
ride.
yours, love. Baby, you was stop, strike, yours.
When I'm with you,
Okay, I'm seeing guys. 11 is saying, don't know, it's been a while. You don't know what's wrong with you lately. Please go and do some. Okay, guys, you should really just focus on really learning. Yeah, but the more you're really interested in this thing, the more you're really gonna find time for you to trade. After reading Candlestick Bible, it changed something for me. All right, that's nice. That's nice. I go live every day, 8 p.m. UK time, so be sure to be here on time as we learn. My strategy is simple, pure price action.
I'm gonna take my time and turn it up just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. This world will mine.
Guys, we're moving.
I swear I can joke. I say what's on my mind if I drink.
Say it's good to see ya.
With the guy.
I can learn with the stream on mute. I mean, guys, as long as you really locked in, and if you really now, like I tell you that I trade with pure price action, and I tell you the things that I always look at with pure price action, it is understanding the market direction, uptrend, downtrend, sideways markets, understanding market structure, understanding candlestick patterns, even just looking at my charts. If you know that concept and look at my entries, it can already be making sense for you. That's why I'm always telling you lock in. So when I'm explaining an entry, you can easily catch on. You look to be in good spirits tonight. Guys, I'm always in good spirits. Even the days when I'm hungry, even the days when it would be so crazy. Yeah, you know, trading can really be crazy. There are seasons when it's crazy. We keep the good spirits because why not? No one sent you to be part of the market. So I'm a hater, I'm a lover. Sometimes it's hard for me to show. Oh no, you don't know. Yeah, someone is saying I have the easiest to learn, easiest strategy. Because after a few times of testing different strategies, I realized you don't need to complicate trading, guys. The secret is in not complicating things and also focusing on really learning market discipline, patience. Yeah, mainly that was what I realized after. You know, actually in trading, you need to take a certain amount of loss that you really get tired and you're like, you know what, this is the time I really focus on discipline and take these things serious. Yeah, so when I got tired of taking losses from the market, that's when I realized it was all because of my discipline, marketing discipline. Supper, long time.
Smell your perfume. I thought I was immune.
Guys, I'm okay with myself.
Looking
I'm
around
okay,
the
yeah.
can't help but see the traces of you. This moment is surreal. I can't put into words how I feel. Twin, where have you been?
Nick, I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Yeah, I'll check it out. Just wait. Body. Mm-mm-mm.
Just the me that you were made for me. Only for me you were made for. Oh yeah, you were made for me. It ain't every day that I get in my feelings this way. I know it was real.
Our intro was invalidated here, guys. Let us look for another move. Okay, Nick, it is confirmed. I've seen. It's confirmed.
If I had to go on without you, twin, where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gonna love me like you. Can't even deny it. Every time I try it, when I get my eyes, you know I'm lying. Body
to body, skin to skin.
Never gonna love like this again. You made for me, just for me that you were made for me. Only for me you were made for. Oh yeah, you were made for me. Made for me. Made for me.
Guys, the night is moving smoothly. Do you all agree?
For me.
And it's a time to fall in love either with the markets or with yourself. I mean, why don't? Romeo, what's up? What's up? Good to see ya.
Every night I've been crying. I can't fall asleep. Laying in the bed in my diamonds. I still wear my ring. Can't even picture nobody else. I'm in too much pain.
It's me.
I'll probably never love again. This kind of heartbreak don't never end. Baby, you ruined me. After you, I know that I'll never love again. This kind of heartbreak don't never end. Baby, you ruined me.
All right, guys.
I won't pretend
Our donation queue is ready and wishing everyone Guys, wish everyone luck. All participants for tonight, wish them luck.
I swear it's the word.
Yeah, let us first secure.
Whoever might try to love me next.
Let us secure our profits for tonight. Then we get into the donation. Hey. Super excited for the donations. Yeah, guys, let us get into our first. Yeah. Yeah, guys, yellow is one of my favorite colors. I mean, why not? So, guys, let us lock in with our first some cards. Just one atom. I don't want to look at any green candle, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, damn. My first attempt is validated. You know how we do it? I refund on the first attempt. So it's what we are doing right now. Love you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even with my boo, you know I'm crazy for you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even with my boo, you know I'm crazy for you. I met this chick and she just moved right up the block for me, and she got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. Oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position. Like guys, we are locked in. First attempt has moved well. Let me see you type congratulations. Some cards. Some card sounds like someone card. What's it gonna be? She said, you don't know what you're doing to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm home, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. I see all out in you looking, I never say a word. I know I thought I can trip and I'm about to get you know how we do it, guys. So let's move on to our next. And I got special ways to thank you. Don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave them. But you and Dirty got ties for different reasons. I respect that. And right before I turned to leave, she said, you don't know what you've been to me. I do. All I think about is you. Even when my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. Okay, let's see if sellers are really continuing to move the market down. Oh no. You're going to just sit here and wait for a move that makes sense to us.
It's for sure. You can always count on my love forevermore. East Coast, I know you're shaking right. Down south, I know you're bouncing right. West Coast, I know you're walking right. You don't know. Midwest, I see you swinging right. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
The best time to take an entry, it is when you have about 3 confluences in the zone. Then there you are sure to take a move.
East Coast, I know you're shaking right. Down south, I know you're bouncing right. West Coast, I know you're walking right. You don't know Midwest, what you see you swimming right. East Coast, you still shaking right. Down south, I see you bouncing right.
Excuse me, sorry about that. Let us look for another move.
Turn me up. Turn me up.
Natures. What's up?
Call me, I come through, I fantasize you 1 or 2 times on a set, text in our rooms. Gonna vibe again.
Second attempt in, guys.
Again. We can hide again.
Oh, nice. It's already moving in our direction now.
When I get you alone.
Wow, this is nice. Let me see you type congratulations. Congratulations. Hey. Guys, let me see you type congratulations to Lily.
Don't talk to us, just do this shit. What you gonna do with it?
I'm using the indicator with the default settings.
Sissy camera shockingly, she met when it's time to room. Fucking we made love tunes. Fucking shrooms. Like you to the bed, don't let you move. Baby, help me feel the pain. This don't feel like lessons, I feel love in my veins. Who this for? Tell me, baby. Who this for? We made love on drastic chemistry, keep me sane. Gonna vibe again. Gonna vibe again. It's hard to fight again. Should we can hide again. When I get you alone, what you gon' do? Don't talk too much, just do the shit. What you gon' do with it? Text me where you at, let me know you back, hits me every time. No one let it do things my way, baby, you let me every time. It's been a long time trying to get away, baby, but you catch me every time. When you text me where you at, letting me know you back, hits me every time. I get you alone.
Guys, let's move on to our next. Someone is saying, when I buy, it sells. When I sell, it buys. Sorry about that, but most likely your entries are not really that good. That's why it ends up like that. You need to focus on more of your entries and timing. Oh my god, dang, this really reversed so fast on us. Let us refund and try again.
Just don't understand what we're wrong.
gave him my heart. I gave him my soul. I gave him. As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room. Couldn't be alone. So your mama knew it was something else. She knew how I felt. Back then we were in school. And that's your favorite excuse. Growing up I was a fool. Then I gave my I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. Think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I will create 100 changes. I'll take your every little. But I don't need a lot of wishes, cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we could be best friends. Love you never end. It could just begin. If I had one wish, you would be my boo. Promise to love you. Trust me, I'll trust you. If I had one wish, we would run outside. Make you love all day. Have some baby. If I had one wish, I'd make you my whole life. And you'd be my wife. Make you like this time. If I had one wish, one wish, one wish.
Guys, first attempt in. Wow. We have got some good momentum push here. So this is already moving in our direction.
I'll go, then I can have you for sure. And you'll be loving me, holding me, kissing me. So girl, don't tell me what I'm feeling is make believe. I swear if I lose a second chance with you, I don't know what to do. I'll probably check myself in some kind of clinic. I couldn't be alone because without you I'm sick.
Let us look forward to getting another entry. Guys, if you donated, be sure you're gonna be on the list tonight. Just wait. Okay, let us look for another move. Let us look for another move. Someone comment locked in. I need you guys locked in. You know how we do it every night. You have to be locked in for live.
Girl, I just want you to know.
Okay, we are having momentum in our direction. Oh my god, I was about to say let me see you type congratulations. We still have another attempt to take.
Rest up on my shoulder, the key to my head for your key holder, yeah. She like it when I rub on her head, she like it when I rub on her back, tell me baby don't stop that, yeah. She said she wanna get a little dirty, and she rub on my chest. Shawty start to give me sloppy, she make a man go fast. She make a man go.
Guys, this is our final attempt, so let's see. Locked in. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations, guys. Let me see type congratulations.
This one as we collabo. Red Bull and Dogo Yaro. For tonight, the Royal Rumble. This one a Ogo Logo. And I put it go, Ibro Godo. She knows say I be strong man. So I know she
Yeah.
go like Shorty boogie down, 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 down. Boogie down, 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 down. Push me to healing me, so I go shout, 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 shout. Pull me down, 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 down. Pull me down, 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 down. This one no be matter where go chop you cream out. How many, na 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 na. She dey bounce on my team with my song for background. I dey give her new style. She say wow, 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 wow. When I start to go too deep, she say ouch, 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 ouch. She about to tell me ow, 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 ow. Shawty tell me let's keep going till we lost, count. Lost count. She said she wanna get a little dirty, and she love my chest. Shawty start to give me sloppy. She make a man confess. She make a man.
Guys, we are in with our first attempt. Let's see how it goes. Damn. Our entry is invalidated. You know how we do it, refine and try again. So let us do that exactly and wait for a move. We are buying again. Let's see how it goes. The market is just from a pullback, so it is anticipated to move forward. Okay, first attempt locked in a plus. Let us take a buy and continue with this momentum. Come on. Okay, it's like we're having candles. Oh my god, damn. What a crazy pullback. I didn't see it coming. Sellers have invalidated our entry. I'm sorry about that. Red. I was trying to take a continuation entry. I'm sorry about that. Next time better.
You gotta wash your hands. Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. And she said, "Tell
That was really close, but bulls are back in the market, coming in crazy. Yeah, the market is still bullish, guys. So let us see if we can get another entry. It's either continuation or a pullback entry. Yeah, buyers are still in the market and they are strong. So let's see how this goes.
Me not feel like you're an angel in a demon body. That's why me not hesitate to screw you. When she walk through the highway with a sainted body, call on make a man knows them. Can you move to the reggae no be blues and no? Yeah.
Then let us refund and try again.
Be like the way that you roll it, tiki like that, and I know that you know that me feel ya. And everybody evil, nobody only like that. Put your hands on the pole and select her. She puff cannabis smoke and she lit it. She a body of the highest order, crazy girl. I know say me and the Jones, I know there is it like that. I went in this order, give me that sweet, for real, from me. Sweet, c'est la vie, hasta la vie, looking pretty. We need it now, who need it? Cuckoo kill me, Bacariri, cuckoo kill me now.
We're having movement in our direction.
On her knees, she said now we now.
That was really close to our entry, but we are locked in. That was really getting close to our entry, to be honest.
She give herself to me and she wants me to tear her. Finish with her, she tell me thank you. Email her. And you move to the reggae no be blues and no. Yeah. Make a sucker, no. She puff cannabis smoke and she lit it. She a body of the highest order, crazy girl. I know say me and the Jones, I know there is it like that. My brain in this border, so give me that sweet, for real, for me. Sweet, c'est la vie, hasta la vie, looking pretty. We need it now.
Second attempt in trading is done for those that are weak-hearted, guys. So there is no reason why we should fear the market. The market is always crazy, but we stick to our strategy and our moves. Guys, let us stay strong. We are still locked in. Trading is not. Yeah, you shouldn't be scared. Let us look for our final attempt.
Trying to decide if I really wanna go out tonight. I never used to go out without you. Not sure remember how to. Gonna be late, but all my girls gon' have to wait. 'Cause I don't know if I like my outfit. I tried everything in my closet. It feels right when I'm not with you. Sick of this stress and these Jimmy Choo.
3 attempts locked in, guys. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant. T-Shadow.
Gotta be strong, but I'm really hurting now that you're gone. Thought maybe I'd do some shopping, but I couldn't get past the door, and now I know.
Okay, we move on to our next participant for tonight. Guys, wish Nick luck. Nothing feels right when you know you.
feel this stress and these Jimmy Choo's. Taking them off 'cause I feel the full. That's why that's up when I'm missing you. Late to step out of this lingerie. Caught up in the ball with something hey. In that I lay. With nothing but your t-shirt. I'm all by myself with nothing but your t-shirt. With nothing
Yeah,
but
guys,
your t-shirt.
it's like the market is getting into a pullback. You can see it's been trending upwards, moving upwards. So let us watch and see.
Trying to decide if I really wanna go out tonight. I couldn't even leave my apartment. I'm stripped down, torn up about it. Nothing feels right when I'm not with you.
The way I see things, guys, I feel like sellers are going to be more in the market because we had a very strong rejection up there. And it was followed by a crazy bigger candle, that selling candle. So let's see how this goes. Beautiful. First attempt locked in.
Trying to dress up when I'm missing you. 'Cause I miss you in this lingerie. Caught up in a ball with something. Promise if you do, in that I'll be in bed with nothing but your t-shirt on. Said I got nothing but your t-shirt on. 'Cause I wanna be close to you. Never win. You would like to see me with nothing but your t-shirt.
Your logic makes sense on the reversal, Ivy. Yeah, that was a very solid reason. And whenever you see such patterns printed, don't hesitate to take the moves. So let us look for another move.
I used to think about immature things. You know, like, do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed. Some of y'all just go pop shit. Some of y'all just go talk. And none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feeling when the dust comes through. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you.
Yeah, only want your love beside me.
But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it.
That's the way I like it.
And that's the way I like it.
You smile for money, but you
That's the way I like it.
when I'm down for me.
That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
Chat.
Second attempt in, guys. So we are looking for just one final move.
Take that nigga, don't hit me back. Chat. Should ran down nigga, don't question that. Chat.
Let's buy this market like crazy. Damn, I don't want to look at any red candle in this zone. Oh my god, what? Come on, damn. We're literally taken out by a very low momentum. Guys, I'm sorry about that, Nick B. I'm sorry about that. Next time better. Guys, at this rate, I want to change a pair.
Some of y'all go get washed. Some of y'all just go pop shit. Some of y'all just go talk. But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost.
Next time better, guys. Next time better.
I swear I'd be at peace if it weren't for you.
Yeah, only want your love beside me.
But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. Everything been okay. They salute me so damn much every time I show up, nigga, her about face.
Okay, this is already moving.
I'm really gonna trip about
Let's see if we can get any entries.
Tell them I was on PCH. You fucking with niggas that's thinking they cuter than you. So you on your cycle, but he on this period too. The tables been turning so much, I was thinking it's foosball. The tenderness of them was taking them for some wiggle. Walk, talk, like Kenny, like Boss, like Solana.
This part looks like it's really moving well. So let us take buys here, guys. You can see
No favors.
buyers are really showing an indication of more strength coming up.
Regular girl that still can beat a bitch ass. Thorough as fuck, don't need your bitch ass. Psychic as fuck, can reach your bitch ass. Zodiac sign, it must be a Gemini moon. Cause shit, we about to go half. Mistakenly, nobody been in a bag. But how many bodies done been in her bag? Some of y'all gon' get washed. Some of y'all just gon' pop shit. Some of y'all just gon' talk. And none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feeling when the trust into. I swear I'll be in peace if it wasn't for you. Yeah, only want you to be.
First attempt is in, guys.
But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. 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 I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
Chat. Should they fold that bitch no yoga mat? Chat. Should they dead that nigga no strings attached? Chat. Should have ran down ain't no questions asked. Chat. They chat.
Do I let them bump and gums? I'm getting whacked.
It's moving. Just one attempt, guys, to go. Let me hope we're all locked in.
Take it to the max.
Chat. They chat.
Guys, if you want to take part in the donations, there's a donation link you can use. The minimum is 400. Yeah, and all the information is in the donation page, or you can write to me via Telegram and I'll guide you more.
I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, do it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody.
Let me see you type congratulations. Yeah, this has really moved well. You guys type congratulations to Jack. See, Caesar, what's up? Good to have you.
In the top top ride with you, I feel like Scarface.
Guys, let me see you type more congratulations. You have locked in three attempts, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant.
How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You know.
And guys, if you're really learning something, don't forget to like the stream. And also, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. Please don't hesitate. Ask anything. Yeah, I am trading binary options, and currently we are on the donations. How can I be on the list?
How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do.
Guys, to be on the list, it is simple. You can use the donation link down in the description. That's how you can be on the list. And reminder, guys, donations are not financial investments. They are purely for trading and learning purposes. So while you're here, don't forget to log in. Let us get into our move. Guys, we're looking for another attempt. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, you're all still locked in, and that's how it should be every night, every day. As long as the markets are still here, we are locked in for life.
Say you got a girl. How you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? Feeling is reckless. So knowing it's selfish. Knowing I'm desperate. Getting on in your love, falling all over love. I do it till it's last. Hanging out the back, all of it you laugh. Like, is you coming home? Is you out with her?
Wow, buyers are onto something here, guys. Are you seeing this?
My man is your man, her is her man too. My man is your man, her that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. You like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Make him lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend. I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more than. I mean, I'm saying what kind of days is 2 days. I need me list by 4 of them.
Guys, you hear our target. Let me see type congratulations to Vala.
Tell me you want me one day.
The indicator is Keltina channel, and I'm using it with these default settings.
Ready to give you what you've been missing the weekdays, what you've been waiting for. 10:30, no later than drop them draws. I know what you want. My man is my
I
man.
play some
is
gospel
your
on
man,
that.
her man too. My man is your man, her that's her man.
Amore is live every day, 8 p.m. UK time, so mark your attendance early. Okay.
You like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Make him lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend.
Let us cruise with the buyers, because why not? The market is bullish, and if it is bullish, we are also bullish. Here. Oh. Then you send him my way.
Like short skirt, the one that fits me like skin. Did your research, you know the price going in.
Guys, this market is going to the moon. Someone comments moon, because that's where it's going. It's just moving up with no any significant pullback.
Whether I'm gonna be your wife or gonna
Okay, we get a rejection candle here, and it only makes sense if it's followed by a bearish candle, and it closes, that's when you know that bears could be onto something. But besides that, it's just a normal candle. So this market is going to the moon now.
Big love, act like I don't care what you did. I'm an Aston
Oh my god,
Martin, straight into the ditch.
what happened there?
And that's just one thing, honey. I can
That was some crazy
touch your body.
manipulation, guys. Sorry about that.
House party, or I might just love you till the
Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that, guys.
Whether I'm gonna be your wife or gonna smash up your bike, I haven't decided yet. But I'm gonna get you back. Whether I'm gonna flip you off or pull you into the closet, haven't decided yet. But I'm gonna get you back. I hear the whispers in your eyes. I'll make you wanna think twice. You'll find that you are never not
The market is still bullish. Yeah, sometimes you can really have entries that are in line with your strategy, but still they get invalidated. So that's what exactly happened. Let us look forward to get another good entry.
Even if it's handcuffed, I'm leaving here with you. Bygones will be bygone, eras fading into veins. All the pieces, but still wanna play the game. So my friends, I hate you, but I love you just the same. Pick your poison, babe. I'm poison either way. Whether I'm gonna be your wife or gonna smash up your bike, I haven't decided yet. But I'm gonna get you back. Whether I'm gonna curse you out or take you back to my house.
Guys, this is one attempt and we are locked in. Let me see you type congratulations.
I hear the whispers in your eyes. I'll make you wanna think.
Let me see you type congratulations, guys.
You were never not mine. I'm gonna get you back.
You know how we do it, everything goes to the participants.
Somebody that I don't know, but you're taking shots at me like it's Patron, and I'm just like, damn, it's 7 a.m. Say it in the street, that's a knockout, but you say it in a tweet, that's a cop out, and I'm just like, hey,
Are you okay?
and I ain't trying to mess with your self-expression, but I've learned a lesson that stressing and obsessing about somebody else is no fun. And snakes and stones never broke my bones, so you need to calm down. You've been too loud, and I'm just like, you need to just stop, but then you just not. Calm down, you need to calm down. You are somebody that we don't know, but you're coming at my friends like a missile. Are you mad?
You can be glad.
You could be glad. Sunshine on the street at the parade, but you would rather be in the dark age, just looking that sign. Must have taken all night. You just need to take several seats and then try to restore the peace and control your urges to scream about all the people you hate. Cause shade never made anybody less gay.
Let us look for a move. Let us look for a move. The market is moving downwards, so let us execute these sales and see how they go.
all the girls who are killing it. But we figured you out. We all know now. We all got crowns. You need to calm down. You need to calm down. You need to calm down. You're being too loud. And that's just like, you need to just stop. And then you just know it.
Guys, I'm locked in for life. I'm just looking for a second attempt. We're looking for a second attempt. The market is still bearish, though it's moving with less momentum, but still bearish until it takes out the previous high. Then we start looking forward for more bullish moves. And that high has to be taken out with a candle closure, not just a week. Falling apart, so we hold together. Let me see you type congratulations, team. Let me see you type congratulations, the trading assembly. Yeah, type congratulations, our participant.
Down the street, right through the city, I'll go everywhere you go. From Chicago to the coast, you tell me if this is go. Blow the smoke right through the window, 'cause this is how we know.
Natures, Malik, good to see ya. Zebina, good to see ya. Take, guys. Sometimes your names are so hard to read, but good to have you on the trading assembly, and I'm glad you're all locked in for live. So let us get into our final participant for tonight. FX Asher, thank you. We're falling apart, so we hold together. Past the end, so we chase forever.
Guess this is all we know. This feeling's all we know. I'll ride my bike out to the road. Down the street, right through the city. I'll go everywhere you go. From Chicago to the coast, you tell me if this is let's go. Blow the smoke right through the window. 'Cause this is all we
Okay, let's look for another. Let us look for another attempt.
guess this is all we know. Guess this is all we know.
Guys, I have a personal Telegram. There's a link in the description. You can write to me anything you want to ask. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm dropping more videos about the strategy and my trading experience. Just lock in. All you have to do is to lock in on my channel. I mean, if it's not here, then where are you gonna be? Just lock in. Yeah.
I took some L's, I'm not okay with. I'm always trying to downplay this. I gotta stop before I drive myself crazy. Girl, I was giving you all of my time and attention. I swear I thought I knew, but you was just hiding the type of shit you do. After playing with things, emotion. It be girls like you that fuck it up for everybody else. It be girls like you that's bad for my health. It be girls like you don't know how to keep it true.
second attempt in.
Too busy telling lies. Baby girls like you. I remember when only you belonged to me.
Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations.
Said you would leave me before you would do me bad. Bitch, still did
Guys,
me
let me see you
dirty.
type congratulations.
It's okay. I still don't want that nigga. Can't go like that. But I wish I never met you at all.
Let me see you type congratulations to our participants.
Got me like that. You're so cool.
$1 billion ballers.
Girls like you.
Where are the headquarters? Where are the headquarters for this? Guys, let me see you type congratulations to all our participants for tonight. Yeah, to all our participants tonight and all the guys we lost. Next time better, next time better. Yeah, that's how trading moves. Next time better. This is a trading assembly and we are always here. And we're always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So if you want to know more about trading, more about my strategy, just log in every night, 8 p.m. UK time. The broker I've been using is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description for it. Yeah. There's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can write to me anything. You can join my Telegram group and join a trading community of all traders from all over the world, because on this stream we are from all over the world, so you can join us. There's a link in the description. If you want a cool bot for trading, there's a link in the description for Skynet trading bot, and it is free of charge, so why not? Guys, we meet again tomorrow same time, and don't forget to be consistent. Don't forget to show up, and Cameron, keep writing that trading plan. Don't give up. Good night. I love you so much.